Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicate data in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data set. So in this data there are some duplicate entries here showing. You can see the printer product is 2 times swings with the same customer, with the same amount, with the same date and same payment method and same store locations. Okay, here the store location is different but other thing is duplicate. So here I'm going to hide some duplicates data in this Excel sheet. So let's start. Simply select the inside the cell and use the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the data tab in sort and filter group. Click on the advanced options, and here the advanced filter dialog box open. Okay, and here the select the range. Just click on this arrow and select the entire data range. Okay. Oh, again drag above and select with the mouse entire data range. Okay. Then I just click on arrow again here. Before that, you can see in A column 1, 2, F25. F is the last column. Okay. 25 is the row number. Okay. So these are the data selected, and just click on this arrow. After that, just click on the unique records only. It means only unique record show here, and other the duplicates data will hide in this data. Okay, so I just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the only unique data is showing. Okay, so this is a way you can hide the duplicates data in Excel sheet. So if you want to unhide again, simply select the cell inside this data and use the Control A to select the entire data. Same as go to the data tab in advanced, just click on the advanced option and just click on OK, and that's it. Your data will be unhide. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.